how to find videos to post on TikTok. Now first of all, this question really depends upon what your TikTok account is all about. If it is about yourself, about your own reels and stuff, you normally just record it, edit it and upload it to TikTok, right? But let's say you are like maybe sharing content, you do such kind of stuff by sharing one account to another account. What you can do is you can just try to remix that particular video if you want to, right? So you can go to Stitch option or create a duet or whatever else it is. You can just put a reaction to that particular video, then you can stitch it, you can do it depending upon what kind of video you want, because this is just a normal generic question. It's not that I can tell you to upload this video, it's what you want to upload, how you want to upload, and what kind and when you want to upload the videos to your TikTok account. So I hope this video helped you pretty much answer your question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.